What's up, guys? Today we're going to be going over the Milk Jug seed starters. It's one of the easiest and most affordable way to start seeds. First thing, you're going to want to grab your jug, get a drill or a knife, whichever you have access to, and you're going to make 4 or 5 holes. It really doesn't matter the number, you just want to make sure you have good drainage because waterlogged soil is terrible for seeds. Once you have all your holes drilled, you're going to need a knife, and you're going to start cutting right by the handle of the jug. Make a straight line across the middle of it, and when you get back to the other side, the key here is to leave yourself about an inch or so of plastic underneath the handle, which will give you a nice hinge, and you can open up the milk jug, and whenever you're ready, it's nice to close it and you can tape it up. Once you got your milk jug cut all the way, just open it up and put it in a spot that's easy to dump soil in, and you're going to grab your soil. One of the key things to remember here is you want to put a little bit of water in the soil. Not a whole lot, you don't want it waterlogged, but you want it just a little damp. That way it gets good seed contact when you place your seeds in there. Whenever I'm filling the jug up, I like to go about an inch or two from the top. How much you fill it isn't super important. It really just depends on what you're planting in there. If your roots need to get a little deeper, they're going to grow fast. Maybe put extra soil in there. Once you've got it all filled in, you're going to want to tamp it down just a little bit. You don't have to apply a ton of pressure, but just a little bit. Now that you have the soil tamped, you're going to get a pin and press down and make you a little hole for each seed you're going to place. After the soil's tamped and you have holes for your seeds, grab your handy dandy seed organizer. I don't know about you, but I have a horrible time trying to keep track of things. And this organizer is great. It has all these boxes. You can put your seeds in there however you want and label them. You're always able to keep track of them. Once you've got your seed packet, just get your seeds out, start placing them in the holes. The depth of the holes aren't super important. You don't want to place them real deep. Just read your seed packet. There's always a description of the depth you need to place your seeds. The seeds we're going with today are yarrow. They're a beautiful flower that attracts bees to your garden. Once you have your seeds in there, you're going to get soil and put just a little bit on top. You just want to get enough to where you can tamp it down and get good soil contact. Got it all tamped, and now we're going to water them in. You want to put water in here just because along with tamping, this helps get good seed contact. I'm doing an extra step here. You don't have to, but it's helpful. If you take a permanent Sharpie and you write the name of the seed on a popsicle stick and put it inside the jug, this is just another way you can keep track of your seeds. The last thing you want to do is get ready to put everything in the ground, open up your jugs, and you have no idea what's what. I said it before, but I'm going to say it again. Don't waterlog your soil. You want to put, get a little bit in there, but don't have it become a swamp. Overwatering can lead to a bunch of problems down the road. Grab your tape. I would go with duct tape. I'm using clear here, but I just didn't have duct tape on me at the time. And you go and trace your cut all the way around. You just want to make a nice seal, cut your tape, and grab a marker to label the outside of the jug. It's also helpful to put the date on there. That way you know how long the seeds have been in there and when they should start sprouting. That about does it. The only thing left is to put the jug outside to where it can get sun and rain. If you found this video helpful, I would love it if you liked and subscribed. Have a good day.